Okay guys, what's happened? I had to delete reposts on TikTok. So go ahead and open up your TikTok account.
Now,
let me turn it off. Click your profile icon at the bottom right. Okay, and then you're gonna see right here the repost icon right here next to the lock. Right now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and
I should get some sleep.
The content that I want to remove, right? And then hit the share button at the bottom right. Okay, and here you're gonna see the yellow icon that says remove a repost. And now you remove that repost from TikTok. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.